Straive, our focus is more industry-led, consultative approach, what we go into the market. We are number one in education and science and research, where we do end-to-end implementation of solutions, more AI and data-led. We are now catching up onto leadership positions onto the banking and financial services, pharma and life sciences, manufacturing and logistics, and then CPG and media. Mostly the industries and segments doesn't mature over a period of time. Each one has their own maturity cycle. So, example, let's say today CPG and retail is much more mature in terms of adopting data and AI, but which is not the case with how manufacturing is today. So our approach has been very unique, tailored to a specific industry, where we kind of acquire or bring on board the needed domain knowledge, either in-house or through partnership. Straive inherently has deep domain knowledge of science and research. In-house, we are close to Ph.Ds and masters, where we have the talent within the organization and where we have a point of view. We pick those domains and then we choose certain functions and then we have a pre-built solutions, go to the market. How does that help? Today in the innovative and the fast evolving space of AI and Gen AI, clients doesn't have a predefined way of this is how a solution, a business problem has to be solved. So we go with a particular more about show and tell as opposed to talk. So if you go on to the Straive, or look at our solutions, you'll be able to see some strong interactive demos, great playground, what we take to the clients. That elevates the conversation. It becomes an eye-opener in our sales conversation along with our clients. The clients say, hey, this is just think about like a set of catalog. We go with the catalog of solutions. Hey, this makes sense. Now we also realize each industry is very unique. And in a similar industry, each client is very different in the way how they're solving their business problem, depending on the leadership position. What that does mean, a solution one deployed into the same industry with one client might not be applicable in a similar way to the second client. There has to be customization. We believe that is where our strong proposition of tech-enabled services comes in, where we are not selling a cookie-cutter solution, but picking up already a predefined solution, going to client and implement it all. I think this tailoring it to each industry and each geography puts Straive in a very unique position to operationalize AI, and which is what we've seen repeatedly with our clients. Viewers is what coming across our way.